Mosaic 23950. Yeah, come in this weekend and say hello. I am running on fumes, but we're having fun. I'm trying to get organised tomorrow to put up a massive NBA break for tomorrow night. Of all the random boxes I've got lying around, some real cool old stuff. Sorry if you just tuned into the Mosaic video. You're not going to care about this right now, but I'm trying to get that happening tomorrow. 1, 2, someone needs a Spurs here. Three, 4, and 5. The Jazz. I think that little trip next door has refreshed me. No, I didn't. I'm awake. Jazz. Ryan Smith. Last team gone. Good luck, Ryan. Good luck, everybody. Is that a gold? It's a gold. I forget what they're number to. You can guess the team. So someone will surely get it. It says there's 72 people watching. 1 guess per person. You're guessing the team. Curry silver. The best NBA product, well, it's probably flawless, I guess you'd say. But I like things like Prism. Any of the one pack stuff is my favorite. But yeah, Prism, if I had to go a bigger format product. Also, Mosaic. Pink, CP3, 149. Amen Thompson. The old giveaway, just a good test to see who's watching. Thunfire, I'm going to accept that as Thunder and about 6 other teams, Michael. That's a good guess from you. To 5. I wanted to say that, but I wasn't sure. I haven't seen who it is either, so we'll be looking at it together. Hendricks, rookie silver. There are more than double the amount of people watching than there are teams. So if this doesn't get guessed, I'm going to bed. I will be furious. That's one of the other case hits. Yeah, 2 of these are case, I think. Andre Jackson Jr. on the glitter. Sparkle, sparkle. Andre. And a Dirk NBA Greats. 60 of 75. Jaquez Jr. and Storm Chasers SGA. Nice pack. Hello, Peter Lee. Did you win? Oh, wait, was tonight even basketball night? And I would like an update on the little one, please, if you want to talk about it. Got the win. Never doubted him. I did. I doubted him a lot. Oh, excellent. Auto is the sassy one. Sass. Trebe, cold, shivery. That's the 25. 22 of 25. A Wemby Mosaic. This is a good box so far. Sasa we can overlook. Sleeping all day and night. You're not Greek by any chance? Wemby. LeBron silver. I didn't know which one to go for. You picked one, I picked the other. Peter Lee, you got here late, but we are guessing an NBA team. I don't know who's been guessed, if there's anyone still available, but we have a gold glitter to 5. Notoriety of Luka. If Bailey and Peter Lee get here at the same time, what's that about? Red Durant, D Fox, and a heat check as well. Paolo. All right. We're going to find out together. Montage Mosaic of Edwards. Is that numbered? Yes, 44 or 49 SGA. It's a rookie, and it's a black team. Come on, Spurs. It's not black. No, it's just the design. Oh. Why would they have it like that? Oh, that's upsetting. Well, that's still damn nice. NBA debut, gold glitter, Scooter. Sparkle. 1 of 5 on a scoot. That was a Spurs card until it wasn't. If you said the Blazers, you are going to be given something. I don't know what yet. That was a really nice box of Mosaic. Scooter!